One of the coolest features of Bluesky is the ability to set your domain name up as your handle. It not only proves to people who you are, but it's a great way to do some marketing. And in the future, it also makes it a lot easier for you to take your data from one server to another. And showing you how to map your domain name to your user handle in Bluesky is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do quickly in this tutorial. Now, in order to map your domain name to your user handle, the first thing you need, well, you need a domain name. And you also need to be able to go into your domain name and edit some of the DNS settings. I've got a domain name here that's registered in GoDaddy, which is fairly popular, although I personally think GoDaddy sucks. And I'm going to show you how to do the GoDaddy configuration of your DNS name. However, it doesn't matter what domain name service you're using. The steps are essentially going to be exactly the same. But starting off, that's the first thing that you need. You need to have a domain name and the ability to configure the DNS settings for that domain name. Then the second thing you need is you need a Bluesky account. So make sure you've signed up for Bluesky, get your account, log into that account, click on Settings. After you go to Settings in the account, you'll see an option for just configuring your account. Click on Account, and then once you've clicked on Account, you'll see another option that says Handle. Click on Handle. Now, here you've got the ability to change your handle, but there is this link that says I have a domain name. What you want to do is you want to type your domain name in here, and then you want to copy all of that information there on that DNS panel, the host, the type, the value. Then go into your domain registry. I'm going to edit cameronmackenzie.com here. I'm in GoDaddy. I'm just going to click DNS, and you have to add a new DNS record. And it's all the data on the right-hand side that you're going to be adding in here. So click Add New Record. The type is just going to be TXT. Then, well, we've got the value and the host name. For the host, it's _AT_proto. The AT protocol is the protocol that they use for Bluesky. So paste that in as the name. Make sure you got the underscore there. And then finally, the value is your unique identifier. So paste that DID in. And it's the whole thing. It's not just the number or the value, but it's the DID and the equal sign. Once you've done that, click Save. Now, be patient because it might take a few minutes for the domain name service to propagate throughout the world. It can sometimes take up to an hour to do. GoDaddy's pretty good. So go back to your environment and click Verify DNS Record. You can see that initially mine failed just because, well, because the settings haven't propagated throughout the world yet. But again, be patient. Maybe give it 2 or 3 more minutes, click Verify DNS Record again, and then boom, all of a sudden it says Domain Verified. So that's not too bad. With GoDaddy, I don't know, I guess it took like, I don't know, maybe a minute for it all to work. Now, just go back to Bluesky, go back to your account, and hey, it doesn't work. It's a Cameron McKenzie, Bluesky. It didn't say, I'm just joking. Got to refresh your page. As soon as you refresh your page, boom, all of a sudden, there you go. Your domain name is now your handle in Bluesky. I'm cameronmackenzie.com. Find me on Bluesky, follow me, and let's be social on the Bluesky social network together.